Hello! Today I'm doing a little Valentine's Day craft using Country Chic paint and some blank wooden hearts. I've picked out some nice wrapping paper patterns. You can find inexpensive paper at your local dollar store or craft shop. I've pre-cut the paper for this heart and will paint the panels that won't be decoupaged. BLISS and CRINOLINE go great with this periwinkle colored paper. These artist brushes are handy for edges and smaller decor. For a lighter, bleached wood look, I watered down a small amount of crinoline. Fold paper over the panel to create creases. The box cutter worked well to trim away excess and get in between the panels. Don't worry about making the shape perfect just yet. I use Mod Podge for this project, but any other craft glue or decoupage paste will do the trick. Apply a moderate layer. I lined the paper up before pressing down, then I smoothed out any bubbles and wrinkles. Next, I took a 180 grit sanding block to the edges of the decoupage panels. I sanded in a downwards motion to avoid lifting the paper back up or tearing it. To finish it off, I sealed the paper with the same craft glue and let it dry. It was such a fun project, I had to make a few more. For this heart, I chose colors that match the vibrant boho print. I wanted to add a rustic feel to this one, so I wet distressed Whoop-De-Doo with a damp cloth before it fully dried. I applied my pre-cut pieces over a solid layer of glue, again pressing down and smoothing out any wrinkles. And seal! A coat or two will protect the paper. For the last heart craft, I painted a couple panels in Jitterbug, my all-time favorite color in the collection. I wanted a darker wood tone, so for one of the panels I made a watered down mix of CANAPE. To make this heart a little different, I applied a moderate coat of CRACKLE medium over one Jitterbug panel and let it completely dry. After applying Devotion over the CRACKLE, the effect was immediate. And there you have it! These cute little hearts will make a fantastic Valentine's Day gift. Whether you like a vibrant palette or neutral colors, the variations are endless. Head over to countrychicpaint.com to find out more about Country Chic Paint.